for sheer pleasure. And I have my gut up instinct of a fears bad, like in my heart in a secured area. But 3 years later, still here with him in his arm, embracing him. His charming praise, they just permeate my heart. And we be switching gears to ups and downs. We always make it work because silly, I give each other space, but we never stay apart. Hey yo, what's up, yo? Your time's up, I'll tell you what. You're sorry, but it's too late now. So save it.